Sony has pulled the plug on Bluepoint Games, and the news doesn't look very good for the employees. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech and gaming news. Fresh from the gaming world, Sony Group Corp is shutting down Bluepoint Games, a PlayStation subsidiary responsible for developing remakes of video games such as Demon's Souls. The organization has roughly 70 employees who lose their jobs amid the studio closure. A PlayStation spokesperson wrote in a statement that the decision was made following a recent business review. Bluepoint will officially close its operations next month. The spokesperson said, Bluepoint Games is an incredibly talented team, and their technical expertise has delivered exceptional experiences for the PlayStation community. We thank them for their passion, creativity, and craftsmanship. The Austin-based studio was founded in 2006 and is also known for developing top-notch remakes of older games such as Uncharted and Shadow of the Colossus for modern platforms. Sony acquired Bluepoint in 2021, shortly after the successful release of Demon's Souls on PlayStation 5, and tasked it with co-developing 2022's God of War Ragnarok. After that game, Bluepoint began working on a live service God of War game, but it eventually got cancelled in January 2025. At that time, PlayStation said that it was working with Bluepoint to determine the studio's next project. But now, as it turns out, their next project is to pack up their stuff and leave Sony for good. For more tech and gaming updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.